Aren't these the cutest festive earrings? They're made with epoxy resin and nail art foils, and they start out as simple triangle shapes that I've turned into little Christmas trees, complete with a star on top and a hanging basket. I love how the foil looks under the resin, and the gold leaf edges really bring the whole design together. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use nail foils in resin to transform plain clear resin triangles into beautiful Christmas tree bases. The first step is to apply a thin layer of leafing adhesive to all sides of the triangles. I'm using a small flat paintbrush, trying to be careful not to get the adhesive on the front or the back, because the gold leaf is so delicate and fly away that it will stick wherever you apply adhesive, even if you accidentally get some on the front or back. You need to let this dry until it becomes clear and tacky, which usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Once the adhesive is tacky, you can apply the gold leaf. I placed the edge of the triangle onto the sheet to get complete coverage along the sides. It was a little bit messy because of how fragile and fly away the metal leaf is. You can wear cotton gloves to control it better and minimise it sticking to you. A better way is probably to tear off small bits and apply it to the triangle. If you use your finger to press the gold leaf onto the sides firmly, and then use a brush to tidy up the edges and get rid of any stray flakes. Now we're ready to apply the nail foil onto the face of the triangle. First thing to do is apply a thin layer of nail foil adhesive evenly across the surface. Work on both triangles at the same time and then set them aside for a minute, or the time it takes for the glue to dry and become tacky. I use the nail foil adhesive that comes with the nail foils, but you could just as easily use the metal leaf adhesive. Likewise, when you're doing the metal leaf step, you could use the nail foil adhesive. They both dry clear and tacky, which is what you need for the foil to remove from the carrier. Once the adhesive has become clear and tacky, you can apply the nail foil to the surface. Just take your time doing this, because once the foil touches the adhesive, you can't move it if it's crooked or wrinkled. So make sure you line it up and then lower it carefully. Burnish it very firmly with your finger to make sure the design is firmly attached to the triangle. If you prefer, you can use a flat silicone nail sculpting tool for this step, but I find your finger does just as good a job. Gently peel away the nail foil film carrier. I had a few spots where the foil didn't transfer fully, but it wasn't noticeable on the earrings, so I didn't worry about it. Once you've done both triangles, apply a thin layer of UV resin evenly across each triangle. If you have any bubbles, you can pop them with a barbecue torch by quickly passing it over the resin. Place both triangles under the UV lamp and cure for as long as the UV resin manufacturer recommends, or until the resin has cured. If you don't have a nail lamp, you can place the pieces in the sun to cure. I used J. Diction hard type UV resin for this project because it has a good spreading consistency and it domes well. Because my triangle bases are clear, I decided to make them double-sided, so after the first side was cured, I applied adhesive and nail art foils to the backs as well. And that's it! Your resin triangles are ready to be turned into gorgeous Christmas tree earrings. To finish your earrings, follow the instructions in the blog post to learn how to turn the triangles into Christmas trees. I hope you enjoyed making these as much as I did. If you try this project, let me know how yours turned out, and don't forget to subscribe for more resin jewellery tutorials. Thanks for watching.